Welcome to Pydle Day 14. Pydle is a daily puzzle that you need to solve by writing Python code. So the graphic on the right is the target, and then you need to reproduce that on the left where you are writing your Python code. Today's puzzle looks like a balloon with a piece of string on the right. As usual, we will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which looks like almost like an icon you would see on a diagram representing a person. So it's very crude. We've got the black um, outline of the head and the upper body, and then just a single cell colored red for the mouth. Okay, so let's see how we would solve that. So the default color of Pydle is black, so we only need to fill in the white and the red bits. So we can see there are three lines with four cells. Three lines with three cells each. So let's do a for loop for I in range 3. So that is for the length of 3 of those 3 lines. And then we can just have individual Pydle statements to fill in each of those 3 lines. So Pydle, the 2 verticals, so the y needs to increase, so we put I in there. The x is static, so the first on the left one would be 0, the one on the right would be 4. Empty cell and color white. Okay. Another one, I did that one on the right, so that would be 0. Okay, we can run that. See, we've got the 2 verticals. And now for the horizontal one, which is kind of the filled in bits of the body. And that's going to be, let's just paste that in. So that this one, x needs to increase, and the y value is 3, because it's 0, 1, 2, 3. That's the index. So it misses the first cell, so we need to do I plus 1. And it needs to be white. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that is the outline of the head and the upper body. All we need to is just fill in 2 more cells, that white one over there and the red one, and they can just be done individually. We don't need to do them in a loop. So just pasting that. It is row number 1. Right in the center, cell number 2. Okay, so that is that one. And then finally, just the red cell. So that's going to be number 2. So right in the center of the graphic, that needs to be red. Okay, that solves the puzzle. Have a go at Pydle number 14. It's a cute little balloon with a piece of string. See how you get on solving that, writing Python. If some of the concepts are unfamiliar to you today, that I used to solve Pydle number 13, then go back to some of the previous videos to see how we develop some of those concepts. And then you can also go to W3 Schools. W3 Schools is an extremely good resource to learn about Python, focus on loops and if statements. So that is basically the bulk of what we use to solve Pydle problems. Good luck.